Right, so this double-decker bus here is their latest project. Right, I was heading down to Cornwall. It's Wednesday evening now, but I completely forgot I had a load of washing that I needed to do. Yeah, so I come into a campsite because I needed to fill up my water tank anyway, and I need to empty my loo and everything else that needs to be done, a load of recycling. And yeah, I just pulled into a campsite. I can never say these words right. I think it's Haldon View. Haldon View? I don't know, I'll show you the card now. So, that's my spare battery for the camera. So yeah, that's the site. Absolutely amazing people here. Like I said, I've used... focus. There we go. I've used their washing machines, their showers. I've emptied my chemical toilet. I know I don't use chemicals, but it still needs to be disposed of correctly. I've done a load of recycling, like I said, loads of washing. But I'm going to show you their latest projects, and you're going to like this. Right, so this is the double-decker bus. Yeah, this is available to rent out. So you can rent it out, I think, minimum of 3 nights, but they'll do you a deal if you book it for the week. Yeah, full-size kitchen, cooker. I don't know where the burners are. There's a sink. Fridge. Where's burners? I don't want to go room too much, but I'm guessing there is burners somewhere. Maybe it slides out the bottom. I'm loving this. Like, this is for the ticket machine, where you'd put your unused tickets. It's where you put your bottle tops. I think that's ingenious. Pretend log burner, but there will be a log burner at some point placed in here. They're just struggling to get hold of one at the minute. Like I said, you got your little fridge, a massive TV. Like, the TV's huge. Nice seating area. Down towards the back, you have your dining room. So you got enough room here to dine, 8 people comfortably. You could probably get more in if you want. I think that's brilliant. And it is really breezy down here. Down here is really cool as well. It's like, yeah, it's nice. Today's been really warm, but it's nice. We go up the stairs. So up the stairs we have another table, a bed that slides out. So this slides out. No, not that one. Is it this one? No, I don't know how this works. Ah, there we go. So the bed slides out. So there's a double bed at the front of the bus. Cracking views out of the windows. We'll come to the back here. So the back of the bus. We'll save that room. We're going to save that room. Another double bed with fantastic views once again. Clothes rail. The bus has got plug sockets all over. The roof is a little bit low here, but in my van, like, this is high. You got all the dog tails to hang your coats up on. I used to have these on my T4. And then down the back here, we got some little bunk beds. So yeah, bunk bed number 1. And then underneath here, bunk bed number 2. I think this is an amazing project. They won't allow you to drive this off-site, obviously. It's got its own garden. But yeah, the views as well. The sun will be setting. There is a cat running across the field. Not that you need a running commentary of this. Fire escape ladder. That's a good idea, that. Obviously you'd be shown how to use that and where to put that. And this is the best bit. Look at this. We have a full size bathtub, toilet and basin with a cute little mirror that looks like a porthole. And there's me. I'm going to say hello like I say hello every time I see myself in a mirror. Yeah, this is brilliant. So there's the bath with a shower head as well. Absolutely incredible. Absolutely incredible. I absolutely love it. It is amazing. Yeah, this bedroom door as well. It's on a nice little, comes across. Bathroom door as well. Comes across. This is all like freshly painted, so it's still a bit sticking. But there you go, like you've got your privacy in the bathroom, your privacy from the bedroom. I love it. Absolutely love it. That's that open, and there's the bath again. Like, I'm getting in this thing. I've got to get in it. Like, if only I could, if only I was allowed to run the actual bath itself. But it is a full-size bath, so yeah, I am now chilling in a bath in a double-decker bus. I could just imagine this on a winter's night, like the log burners going, fires outside, lots of good music, hot water. I've got views out the window from the bath. Yeah, it's just, this is lush. And the views outside, I keep saying this as well, it's good. Make sure I don't drop the camera, but let's go outside. We are now talking to you from inside but outside a double-decker bus that is suited for living. The windows open as well. It's really airy up here. It's not, I mean, it's been warm today, so everything's going to be warm. But with the windows open, it isn't too bad up here at all. Like, it really isn't. I'm just amazed at the bathtub. Like, that just makes it for me. I just want to sing The Wheels on the Bus Go Round and Round. There's the steps down. Yeah, absolutely incredible. And it's still got all the buttons. I don't have to do anything, no. But I can't help but to press them anyway and just try. It should be for room service. It should be like, room service. I don't have to worry about this, but if you're taller than me, mind your head. So like I said before, the biggest TV that I've seen in a double-decker bus. Actually, I think it's the only TV I've seen in a double-decker bus. DVDs down the bottom, enough seating for 8 guests. And you've got the little table upstairs, so the kids could, I don't know, if you've got children with you, they can hang out upstairs, and you've got grown-up, peaceful night downstairs. Massive long sofa to chill out and watch TV with. Yeah, absolutely amazing. The fridge is half stocked. No beer though. Bit disappointed with that. So I'm just about to park up for the night. There's my headlights on. Now when I put the big spotlight on, the big spotlight that's above the cab, yeah, that's the reason why I get to see everything that overhangs. Yeah, I just wanted to show you that quickly.